What's up guys, I'm Sean. Next model, my E92 M3, is a front lip. I'm not going with a splitter because this is not my dedicated track car. This is my dual purpose build. So I'm going with a front lip, mainly for aesthetic reasons, and maybe a little bit of aero. This is what I'm going with. AK style lip from Icon Motorsports. Here's the lip unpackaged. It came with a small bag of hardware, some screws, but I'm also going to use some double-sided tape. So this is the carbon fiber front lip, and it's called the AK style, and the lip is super light. It's probably less than a pound or two. About to do a quick test fit. What I like about this lip is that it covers this side of the bumper because this is all chewed up. So when it mounts up, it covers this side right there. And same thing, this side's all chewed up from rocks. So when you mount it up, it's gonna cover it. So there's a lot of different types of front lips, but this is the one I like. You don't need quick jacks, but you do want to jack up the car to get underneath it. Now I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol to clean inside of here and here, all around the front lip, as well as the bumper, before I install 3M double-sided tape. The holes pre-drilled on the lip doesn't quite line up with the holes in the bumper, and it's missing the one in the middle, so you're gonna have to drill the one in the middle. I'm gonna enlarge all the holes slightly, and that's why the kit came with some washers. I'm doing something a little custom for my setup. I elongated the hole because I plan on not using the holes. I want to make this independent from the under tray. So I cut out a huge section of this. So I'm going to mount this to the front bumper, and I'm probably going to screw in the bottom of the front bumper, but it's going to be independent from the under tray. So I can leave the front lip on while I remove the under tray back and forth. And by drilling into the bottom of the bumper, the front lip is going to be way more sturdy. So it's a little overkill, but that's how I'm doing mine. Alright, I partially removed the double-sided tape. So now I have my helpers, and I'm going to line it up and install the front lip. Front lip has been double stick tape on, and I use masking tape just to hold it in place. Now I'm going to drill it into the bumper to make it a little bit more reinforced. Here's how it looks with the screws drilled into the bottom of the bumper. It's an optional step. You don't have to do it, but I decided to do it to make the lip more reinforced. And no one's going to see it because it's the bottom of the bumper. And also my car has 90,000 miles, so the bumper's paint is already screwed up. And of course, checking the inside to make sure that the screw doesn't hit anything. So now it has double-sided tape, and it has extra screws at the bottom of the bumper. Now I just have to reinstall the panel. Alright guys, that's a wrap. AK style front lip from Icon Motorsports has been installed. Really happy with the way it turned out. Now the bottom of the bumper is more flush, which is going to help with a little bit of aero. Obviously not as good as a front splitter, but this is my dual purpose build, and I don't want to run a huge front splitter and scrape everywhere. So this lip is going to help with a little bit of aero, but more importantly, it looks a lot better. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.